We've been big fans of Aer for a while now, as the San Francisco-based minimalist bag maker routinely hits the mark when it comes to price, performance, and style. So, when we found out that the brand recently updated its urban offerings as part of an all-new city collection, needless to say, we had to see what was up. In particular, we were curious about what changes Aer made with the second iteration of its best-selling City Sling. Is the update only in name? Is it worth scooping the City Sling 2 if you already have the original? There's only one way to know. Let's dig in. Like other bags from Aer, the City Sling 2 eschews any flash or filigree in favor of a clean, no-nonsense aesthetic. It has an understated minimalism about it that's almost handsome because of its stark simplicity. That is to say, function clearly precedes form here, and that the City Sling 2 is wholly focused on its purpose. Yet Aer has managed to do so in a way that's undeniably sharp. This is largely due to the bag's compact design. At a scant 4.75 inches wide, 13 inches long, and 3.5 inches deep, it's perfectly sized to serve as an extension of your pockets. It's also incredibly lightweight, tipping the scales at less than a pound. Done up with oversized YKK zippers, tasteful anodized aluminum hardware, and a state-of-the-art fidlock fastener, the City Sling 2 is a bag that's rugged in build and refined in appearance. Aer offers the City Sling 2 in 3 different flavors, though the 2 most popular are the 1680D Cordura Ballistic Nylon and the VX42 X-Pack Sailcloth. The only differences between the 2 bags lie in their use of fabric, interior lining, muted gray nylon versus high-vis orange ripstop, and reflective pulls. The X-Pack version also comes with an additional YKK AquaGuard zipper for the main closure. In the case of the X-Pack bag by Dimension Polyant, you're getting both a slightly lighter base fabric as well as improved element resistance. Now, we should point out that the bag isn't completely waterproof. However, the additional coating around the exterior does help to provide some more protection against unexpected rainfall. More than anything though, it gives the City Sling 2 an ultra-premium look and feel. Easy on the eyes and pleasant in the hand, it really elevates the bag's overall presentation. That being said, the 1680D Cordura Ballistic Nylon used in the standard bag is certainly no slouch itself. Optimized for long-term abrasion resistance and unwavering dependability, it has a heft to it that clearly signals its exceptional build quality. Having tested one of these bags for some time now, we can assure you that it can stand up to anything you have to throw at it. At no point at all were we worried about the standard City Sling 2's integrity, and while it might not have the edge on the X-Pack model when it comes to weather resistance, it nevertheless features some built-in waterproofing of its own. No matter which option you choose though, know that you're getting some of the best hardware you can find on a bag today. In each case, Aer has fitted the City Sling 2 with waterproof YKK AquaGuard zippers, aircraft-grade aluminum tension locks, and a cutting-edge fidlock fastener. Though the X-Pack version comes with some extra reflective detailing in the zipper pulls and an additional YKK AquaGuard zipper for the main closure, otherwise, the hardware is consistent bag to bag. In addition to giving the City Sling 2 a classy look, it's a combination that'll last you for years to come. Don't let the City Sling 2's small size fool you. The bag holds a generous 2.5 liters, and it's packed to the gills with organizational provisions. It also boasts a slightly wider design than the original, making it even more accommodating of your carry. Within the main compartment, the City Sling 2 comes with a series of elasticated dividers for keeping your essentials in check. On one side, Aer has fitted a large sleeve that's perfect for packing away delicate or bulky items like phones. In the middle, the bag offers a spacious cavity that can hold everything from notebooks and pens to bottles of hand sanitizer. Complemented by a set of stretchy mesh pouches for cords, charging banks, and headphones, it's made only better by the zippered pocket that's ideal for stowing smaller EDC essentials like knives. Around the outside, Aer has given the City Sling 2 a hidden back pocket for stashing critical carry such as wallets and passports. Along with providing an extra dose of security, it also ensures that you can reach these items without having to fumble through the rest of the bag. As if all that wasn't enough though, the City Sling 2 even sports a zippered front pocket with a built-in lanyard and a beefy carabiner. If you need to quickly access your keys while on the go, this is one feature that can't be beat. On body, the City Sling 2 proved an incredibly comfortable wear. Though the webbing strap doesn't have any padding to it, the bag's small size and low weight ensure that it nestles against your torso quite nicely. At no point at all did we feel any rubbing or pulling. In fact, it's almost as if we forgot about it. Moreover, the anodized aluminum sliders on either side of the buckles make it effortless to achieve the right fit. With just a quick pull, you can easily have the bag sized correctly to your person. As an added bonus, they also cinch down for storage in the sleeve on the back of the sling. In practice, this means that you can wear it as a sling or carry it with its quick grab top handle. Our favorite part of the strap, though, has to be the tension locks located on either side of the bag. They do an excellent job regulating the City Sling 2's size, whether you're only bringing along the bare necessities or you're filling out the bag to maximum capacity. Living in an urban environment, we especially liked the ability to compress the City Sling 2 tight against our person, useful for a bit of extra theft protection. In sum, it's best to think of the City Sling 2 as an iterative refinement of the original. Sure, it's not a drastically different bag, but it brings some subtle and impactful improvements. The wider design, for one, means that you can easily hold oddly shaped and bulky items like charging banks and phones. The updates to the fasteners allow for an effortless user experience as well as better long-term durability. The internal organization is also far more accommodating. Whether you consider it worth the upgrade, though, will ultimately depend on your particular needs. However, we can confidently say that the City Sling 2 is a buy in our book. As is to be expected from Aer, it represents the gold standard in EDC optimized baggage.